new car. You're just as bored as I am, aren't you, Tospic? Everything's the same. There's nothing new to do. I don't even feel like doing anything.
Niloya! Come on, let's go over to my garden. Let's play over there.
Over to your garden? Oh, I wish I had a car. Then we could drive to your garden.
But why? The garden is right over there. It's not that far away.
It's too far. I can't go.
Okay, whatever you say, Niloya.
Oh, there's so much in here. What should I do with it, Dad?
Put it over there, son. Careful, careful. We'll make room for more.
Tospic, what are Daddy and Grandpa doing over there? Maybe they're doing something interesting. Come on, let's take a look. Daddy! Hi, Daddy!
Hello, Niloya.
Grandpa, how are you, Grandpa?
My dear granddaughter.
Grandpa, what are you two doing?
Doing? Well, we're going through some old things.
Uh-huh. I didn't even know that we kept old things, Grandpa.
We keep them in case someday we need to use them.
What would they be used for, Daddy?
Watch and you'll see. This wood used to be part of an old gate. Because we didn't throw it away, we can make a new seat.
That's a really great idea. Daddy, do you have any more of these little wheels?
I think so. What will you do with them?
I'm going to make something new. Daddy found some old wheels, put them on a metal bar. Then my grandpa took some wood, built the seat for my brand new car. We worked together and they let me paint it too. I love my new car and I know just what to do. Toot, 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 I'll drive it everywhere. Toot, 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 the wind blowing through my hair. Oh, I love it, I'll take a ride in my brand new car. I just love it, now I can drive it oh so very far. Toot, 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 try to catch me if you can. Toot, 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 thank you Grandpa, thank you Dad. Look at me, I made a brand new car, just like the one my daddy has. Beep, beep.
And you look great in it, Niloya.
My dear Daddy, my dear Grandpa, thank you so very much. I love my new car.
I hope you enjoy it, my sweet little girl.
Niloya! Remember to drive carefully, little one.
Matei!
Wow, Niloya! I thought you said you wouldn't come all the way here.
I can go anywhere now in my new car.
Your car is very cool, Niloya.
Thank you very much, Matei. I made it with my daddy and my grandpa. It's made from old things.
So where are we going to go in your new car?
Wherever you want to.
Come on then, let's go. We'll drive it to the moon.
Faster, Matei! Faster! beautiful carpet. It's so colorful. There are tulips and smiley faces. Isn't that carpet beautiful, Grandpa?
Yes, it's very nice. Your mother wove that carpet.
My mother? She made that beautiful carpet?
In that carpet, there's a secret wish. A wish your mother had. Did you know, Niloya, that young girls used to weave their wishes into the carpets?
Did my mother have a wish? Well, what was it then, Grandpa?
I don't know, Niloya.
Mommy!
Yes?
Mommy, your carpet is beautiful. I like it very much.
Thank you, dear.
What was your wish on this carpet?
My wish?
Yes, you had a wish. Grandpa told me so. You weaved your wish on the carpet.
Your grandfather is right, but I won't tell you what my wish was. You'll find out soon enough.
Does that mean you want me to find it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Mom. Then I'll weave one too.
Well done, Niloya. Let's set up a nice carpet loom for you.
I'll help you with the weaving.
Hooray! I'm going to weave my own carpet and find Mommy's wish too. Yay! Weave a carpet like Mommy used to do. Weave a carpet to sew wishes into. Pretty carpets with patterns and designs. Pretty carpets that we think are so fine. I will think of what Mom's wish could have been. With my own wish in mind, I will begin. I just hope that my Mommy's wish came true. And I just hope that mine will come true too. Weave a carpet like Mommy used to do. Weave a carpet. Now I can weave one too. Toss-Pick! Here it is. My carpet's finished. I love it. Look, Toss-Pick, I wove you into the carpet. Mommy, I finally found your wish. There are tulips on the carpet you weaved. It means you wanted tulips.
Why, this tulip is beautiful, Niloya. But my wish on the carpet wasn't for tulips.
It wasn't chocolate, or a car, or a house, and it's not a flower? Could it be another city?
No, dear. I'm very happy where we live.
I think I know what it is now, but I'm still not quite sure. What is it then? I know your wish.
Niloya, sweetheart, what is that?
Rice pudding.
Rice pudding?
Yes, Mommy, you like rice pudding very much. Look, I made a smiley face on it with the hazelnuts, just like on your carpet.
Thank you, Niloya, you're right. I do like rice pudding very much, but my wish wasn't for that.
Mommy, I give up. I can't figure out your wish. I couldn't figure out your wish, Mommy, but I weaved a very beautiful carpet for you.
You weaved this carpet for me?
Yes, I put our family in it. Look, Toss-Pick is here too. I weaved my wish in it, that we will always be together.
Niloya, sweetheart, this is really beautiful. Now the wish I weaved on my carpet has become reality.
What was your wish then?
I wanted children as sweet, loving, and wonderful as you are.
I love you, Mommy.
I love you too.